Hello everyone, I am Mosfika Hussain and the operations head for IMS. Today I have came up with this video for a very important information and certain things which I would like to talk to you and inform you all because you all have shown us so much of love and support in these couple of months. So I think it was very necessary for you all to know what is happening around IMS and exactly how IMS came into being in Guwahati. So you all know that IMS started in 2004. So where it started, where from this brand came, and till now, what we have been able to do. So in 2004, in Silchar, Shillong Patti, IMS uh, was started, and it was started by a person who was holding his experience in educational domain of last till today I can say it's 30 years, and he started this brand name IMS in Shillong Patti in Barak Valley and started with online and offline education at that time. So from 2004 till today, it's almost 20 years IMS is into being. And initially it was driven by his passion, and it was all his idea which gave IMS such a big platform to get in touch with a huge mass of students initially, and then for multiple services which we are right now having, uh, gave an opportunity to a lot of people to connect with us. So he is Sumen Bhattacharjee, and he hails from Silchar, and he is the director and founder of IMS, Institute of Management and Allied Services. So now, to go ahead, like the work which was there in Silchar, it was going on, and it took its swing in 2012 here in Guwahati. We had independent counselors, we had some freelancers who were working with us since 2012 from Guwahati. And yes, we had many of people associated with us from different parts of India who were working for IMS at that point of time. So slowly and steadily we took a step, and we thought that it would be very good that if we come up with a permanent location, a location from which all the Northeast people can connect with us. So we decided for a place in Guwahati, which is the gateway of Northeast. And yes, today we are having our office in Kalpana Market in Guwahati Club in second floor. And most of you all know about our office. Many of you have visited us. And right now it's not just limited to the educational domain in Northeast. It is more of, uh, you know, going ahead with manpower services. Educational also, the domain has been extended. It is not only now limited for online and offline education, but also it is now for the regular admissions for various kind of courses. As you have seen some of our videos of our counselor Aiko Laishram, she has already given 2 videos regarding what kind of admissions we are dealing with. So non-medical, medical, technical, non-technical management courses. Every courses we are going ahead with admissions. We are going ahead with the counseling, and apart from that, we have an extended vertical that is for the human resource. We are connecting people with their desired jobs in various parts of India. We are very happy today, to share that we have grown since 2004 in such a way that today we are capable of, being a bridge between that, a person seeking for a good platform for education or for job, and we are connecting them with the desired people along with the job profile or the education they are needed. Also, uh, entire South now is seeking for manpower forces from us, be it restaurant industry services, like stewards, housekeeping, table cleaners, or accountants, or HR or supervisors. Not only this, but also we are developing our presence in the whole hospitality industry in South. So, which is itself a very, good thing to share with you all. Apart from that, here in Guwahati, we are trying to provide employability to the people who are seeking for good opportunities in retail sector, in hospitality sector, in automobile sector. And not only this, but also this time now we are coming up to colleges and schools for some better packages of services which we are offering to the students. So that will also be revealed very shortly with you all, because we are going to share each and every video of what we are doing here in Guwahati and in different parts of Northeast with you all, so that you know how it started and to where it is going. Also, not to forget that we are not a very massive team. We are a team of 4 members right now. And Mr. Thangal Singh, Ms. Rupa Sarkar, Ms. Aiko Ashram, and me, we are really trying that all 4 of us get connected in a maximum way, where we can go ahead with lot of opportunities to be provided to all the youths of Northeast. So yes, this video was to let you know that how this IMS brand started, from where it started. As you have seen short video clips everywhere, and it's difficult to gather that information, because there many of the people who still now comes to us, they keep on asking us how it is, where it started, how it is doing, where are our presence in India. Also, before ending up this video, I am very happy to share that we have our official website now. You can connect with us, you can see each and every detail, and you can go through the information of IMS in www.ims.in, www.imsconnect.in, sorry. So you can see the website and you can sense where we are, what we are doing. And yes, do come to us. Let us have an opportunity to serve you with whatever services we are having right now. And I'm sure that IMS will be a very, supportive brand in Northeast for all the youths of Northeast. Thank you so much.